Hey everyone, welcome back to another CV Linens video. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble our royal hanging centerpiece.
Begin with the large centerpiece, then screw on the arms tightly with the washers included. Next, add on the small plates to the arms of your centerpiece. Then screw in the top piece of your centerpiece. Follow with adding the larger plate to the very top. Lastly, you will add on your hanging crystals, starting with the smaller strands. Begin near the center of the centerpiece. Then move on to adding the largest string of crystals to the middle hoop section of the arms. The very last hoop will be for the smaller hanging crystals. Attach those and you're all set. Your centerpiece is ready for your event.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can purchase your royal hanging centerpiece at cvlinens.com. Be sure to also check out some of our social pages to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much, and we'll see you in the next one.